First on Times Now, RS Singh, just hold your thoughts. Times Now is in a position to confirm that Kshitij Prasad has been arrested by the NCB. Now, he was picked up from the airport. His house was raided, and ever since he was interrogated by the NCB officials. Now, Kshitij Prasad has been placed under arrest. A big arrest, massive development in this case. Tamal.
Well, Pranesh, yesterday on India Front, you were the first one to actually let our viewers know that Kshitij Prasad is very much under the scanner of NCB, even though the examination is on. But there was a high probability of he getting arrested. We can now confirm Kshitij Prasad has been arrested. Kshitij Prasad, an executive producer, director associated with a famous production company, known as Dharma Production. We are not naming anyone, we are only quoting the profile of Kshitij Prasad. Kshitij Prasad on his social media profile, on his LinkedIn profile, has mentioned that he is the executive producer, director in Dharma Production, and he has now been arrested. He has been questioned for no less than 24 hours. He was actually picked up from the airport. He was in New Delhi. From New Delhi, he came down to Mumbai because he was summoned yesterday. From Mumbai airport, he was first taken to his place where raids happened, where minimum seizures also happened. From there, NCB officials brought him to the NCB office. At the NCB office, after the examination began, which eventually led to interrogation. Interrogation lasted the whole night. Anubhav Chopra
interrogated for more than 24 hours because he was brought to the NCB office, and correct me if I am wrong, Mohit, around 11:30 yesterday, and through the night he spent his time at the NCB office today, and this moment he has been placed under arrest. Mohit.
Well, yes, Pranesh, and yesterday there was something about Kshitij Prasad. When he came over here, he was being escorted by none other than Sameer Wankhede, the zonal director of the NCB, and two NCB cabs. When he came over here, he also came with Anubhav Chopra. Now, Kshitij works with a big production house over here in Mumbai. He works as an executive producer. His name was given by two peddlers, Anuj and KJ, that yes, he was in regular contact with them, and they used to supply all these banned narcotic substances to Kshitij. Now, an interrogation took place yesterday, and yesterday M.A. Jain, senior NCB official, zonal director Sameer Wankhede, and also KPS Malhotra, the special SIT team, who is heading the special SIT team from Delhi, also interrogated him. Now, today what we are getting to know is that Kshitij has been arrested, and we know for a fact that how there has been proof against him by the NCB that yes, he used to procure all these banned narcotic substances on regular basis.
Stay with us. Let's tell our viewers who this individual is, why is he important, why is his role being probed. Here it is on the big screen. This is the Dharma executive who has dropped names. You see his name here, Kshitij Prasad, executive producer, Dharma Productions. Although Dharma Production has clarified in a statement that he was on a contractual, he was associated with Dharma Production on a contractual basis, and Mr. Karan Johar said that I have no personal connection with this man. But having said that, why he was summoned? Because small quantity of weed was recovered from his residence. What NCB must prove, was it drug consumption or drug trafficking? And now that he has been placed under arrest, can we safely assume that the NCB believes that it has a case that can justify this crackdown, the arrest of Kshitij Ravi Prasad? Because the court will ask these questions. Is a peddler's confession enough to indict? Why he was summoned? Because peddler Ankush Arneja claimed that he sold drugs to him. Siddhant, badi khabar, bada arrest.
जी बिल्कुल प्रनेश, बहुत बड़ी गिरफ्तारी है नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो द्वारा। क्यों, मैं ये आपको बताना चाहता हूं। तकरीबन 36 घंटे लगातार पूछताछ हुई है क्षितिज प्रसाद से, और 2 बार उनके घर पे सर्चेस की है नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो ने। अब क्षितिज का क्या रोल है? क्षितिज का नाम केजे, जो कि मुख्य पेडलर है जिसको नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो ने गिरफ्तार किया है, उसने क्षितिज का नाम एजेंसी को बताया था, जिसके बाद एजेंसी ने बाकायदा सर्चेस की, उनको समन्स दिया, और कल पूरी रात एनसीबी के लॉकअप में थे क्षितिज प्रसाद। और अब मुझे बताया जा रहा है, जो खबर हो रही है, कि उनको अरेस्ट कर लिया गया है, उनकी गिरफ्तारी दिखा दी गई है। अब से कुछ मिनट पहले उनको अरेस्ट मेमो सर्व किया गया है एजेंसी द्वारा। अब बड़ा सवाल यहां पर यह है कि इंडस्ट्री के एक बड़े डायरेक्टर ने, प्रोड्यूसर ने कल एक अपना स्टेटमेंट जाहिर किया, उनका नाम भी ले देता हूं, करण जौहर ने, कि हमारा क्षितिज प्रसाद से कोई भी लेना देना नहीं है। पर अगर आप क्षितिज प्रसाद के लिंक्डइन अकाउंट पे जाते हैं तो क्षितिज साफ तौर पे लिख रहे हैं कि धर्मा प्रोडक्शन की एक सिस्टर कंपनी है, वो उसके लिए काम करते हैं, वो एक क्रिएटिव है। ये भी तमाम आरोप लग रहे हैं। क्षितिज के साथ ही एक डायरेक्टर है अनुभव चोपड़ा, उनसे भी कल पूछताछ की है नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो ने। उन्होंने भी तमाम नाम बताए हैं नारकोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो में। और कल रात मेरी एक अफसर से बात हो रही थी, उन्होंने कहा है कि हमने अनुभव को जाने तो दिया है पर अनुभव को क्लीन चिट नहीं दी है। तो ये जरूर समझने वाली बात होगी कि किस प्रकार से जो 16/20 का CIR है, जिसमें रिया चक्रवर्ती की गिरफ्तारी हुई है, शौविक की गिरफ्तारी हुई है, कमलजीत पेडलर की गिरफ्तारी हुई है, अंकुश अण्णेजा है, अनुज केशवानी है, तमाम बड़े पेडलर हैं, उसी मामले में क्षितिज को भी अब गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया
और
है।
देखते हैं
क्षितिज
रिमांड
बताया
नोट
जा रहा
में
है
एनसीबी क्या लिखती है, क्या रोल है, क्या एजेंसी ने उनके क्वेश्चनिंग में पता किया, ये सब द कवरेज कंटिन्यूज ऑन टाइम्स नाउ। दिस इज बाय फार द मोस्ट कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव एंड द बिगेस्ट कवरेज ऑन टीवी that you are watching. A short break, we return with more updates on the other side.